Let's talk about types that matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. It can have many forms. We will commonly divide matter into three phases: solid, liquid, and gas. We will probably familiar with this term. Let's define them together. A solid has fixed shape and volume. The particles are touching and do not move. A liquid has fixed volume but no fixed shape. It will move to its container. The particles are still touching but they do move fluidly. A gas has no fixed volume and no fixed shape. It will completely fill its container. The particles are far apart, moving freely and seldom touch. Matter will frequently change from, and describing this change is at the heart of chemistry. So now we're gonna look about how it's different about physical change and chemical change. A physical change is one in which the chemical position of the substance is unchanged. When ice melts, water is going from solid state to be a liquid phase. The way that water molecules are arranged change, but they are still water molecules. A chemical change is in which the chemical position of the substance does change. Chemical bond between atoms must break and form the generate completely new substance. Okay. Here, hydrogen gas and oxygen gas combine to form water. Notice that hydrogen and oxygen gas are used to connect to themselves and are now connect each other, new bonds, new substance, and new molecules. Chemistry has occurred. So, think like a substance changing from one phase to another. As always, physical change, but if we make an entirely new substance with new chemical bond, that's a chemical change. A pure substance is one that can be separated into other material by any physical process. Water, whether you boil or freeze, it will still be water. Is a type of molecules which is just multiple connected atoms and elements can be broken down into smaller parts by physical or chemical means. For example, water is not an element, it's a compound because it is made up two or more elements. In this case, oxygen and hydrogen. By a chemical process, we can divide water into these two elements. But that's as far as we can go with chemistry. These are now molecules of a given element. A mixture is made of two or more pure substances, and this can be separated by chemical process.